pilot would have to have a special license to land at the airport. My father-in-law was a 747 captain, jumbo jet. He had to train in a simulator for a week before he was able to fly that to Hong Kong. Okay, so what we're going to be doing is we are basically going to take off. We're going to climb at 1,500 feet, and we're going to make a turn right to heading 120. We're going to keep climbing to 3,000 feet. We're going to clear these mountains. Then over Hong Kong Bay, we're going to make a left turn, start going to the Hong Kong airport. Now, here's the deal. Let me just start the engines. The runway is here, and we are, sorry, runway is here, we are coming this way. 500 feet, 9 degrees turn. Okay, now, there's a little checkerboard that they made on the mountain, right here. So we are gonna be aiming for the checkerboard. Forget about the runway.
Right.
We aim for the checkerboard.
Yeah.
And going down to 500 feet. So close to the buildings. We can almost touch it from here. Okay? At 500 feet, then we make the turn.
Okay.
So this time, I'm gonna be helping you out.
Okay.
Okay? When we start, well, it's very difficult.
Yeah, yeah.
When you start doing the turn, I'm gonna have my right foot as well, and I'm gonna help you out. We're gonna press the rudder, and I'm gonna say press more, let it go a bit, let it go, because the rudder is what's gonna do the yaw turn.
Right.
That's the degrees, the 9 degrees turn.
Yeah.
Okay. This time it's a 9 degrees on a real low altitude and close to the runway.
Right.
So I'm gonna say press and hold, a little bit more, let it go a bit, let it go, and let it go, okay, straight. And we're still turning here together.
Okay.
All right, sir. Release parking brake, please. Push it down. Off we go, same speed. Don't forget, this time, I want you to control the speed here.
Okay.
Okay, so what we're gonna do is, you're gonna give power to 40%.
Okay.
Once you see 40%, let me just do this quickly. Okay. Once you see 40%, you're gonna press this button here. That's the toggle button. Press it. That will take us automatically to the speed we selected.
Okay.
So you see that's gonna go forward by itself. But you're gonna have your hand here until you hear view 1.
Okay.
Once you hear view 1, that's the point of no return. Whatever happens, we don't have enough runway to stop. We're gonna take off. So at that moment, you take your hands off and put in the controls.
Okay.
The reason that having the hands here is 2 microseconds from having the hand from here to here. An emergency comes about,
Right.
it might be the difference for us to stop on the runway. So that's why until you hear view 1, hands here on the power.
Okay.
Okay? Good to go?
40%.
Yes, sir. Play 40%. Okay, press it. Hands here.
Yeah.
Right foot. Right foot.
Watch out the window.
Yeah, now it's more work for you, sir.
I love it. Give it more work.
A little bit more. A little bit more. Okay. Left foot a bit. Excellent. I'm not doing anything, see? He's doing alone. Excellent.
V1.
View 1, hands on the control. Perfect.
Rotate.
Positive range.
Gear up. Did you notice that everything I do, I say out loud?
Yes.
You know what's going on. Even if you're not looking at me, you know what I'm doing. So we are a team. Nose down a little bit. Very good. 120. Let's start making the turn to 120. Keep climbing. And there'll be something like this. Air Canada 123, maintain speed 195, turn heading 120, keep climbing to 3,000 feet. Very good. So the call will back in half an hour, please. Thank you. That was quick. Press the rudder a little bit to make the turn. Very good, very good. Flaps 1 and then flaps like that. We are almost at 3,000 feet. You see the horizontal line is coming down. Follow the line. And we reach it the direction. Very good. And that's Hong Kong.
Yeah.
As they say in China, ni hao. Once again, just because I like to tease.
The wrong way. That's not a
Okay.
good thing.
Now we're gonna turn it again to 073. And we're gonna start to descend
Okay.
to 1,500 feet.
It's not difficult enough without the.
Okay, I'll make it easier again. So let's go down.
Yeah.
There you go. Almost straight up. So I'm gonna point it out for you. The checkerboard is right over there. And that's what we aim for. Make it 0.7. Very good. So we're gonna keep descending. I'm gonna slow us down. Runway is right over there. But we aim for the checkerboard right
Yeah.
there first.
Okay.
So let's keep descending. Very good. There you go. Landing gear down, auto brakes on 2, speed brake arm. Very good. Checkerboard is right over there. So we're gonna go a little bit more to the right. Right over there. You see it, ma'am? Right
Yeah, I
over there.
can see
There's a
it.
little checkerboard.
Yeah.
And that's our runway. Very good. Very good. Let's keep
Yeah, I'm
this
definitely sweating.
It's alright. You're doing a great job, sir. Flaps 20. Now, are you trying to see a little bit better the checkerboard? Right there. Right there.
Okay. Yeah.
Good. Dead on. Excellent. Excellent job.
Yeah, this is the hard part.
Perfect. Just keep it straight. Very good. We're descending. We're gonna go down to 500 feet. Now we start to see the buildings close by,
Yeah.
and that's a runway. Now, very soon you'll see lights flashing here. That will be to help us to make the turn. Flaps 25. Perfect. Perfect. See, you start to see the lights flashing?
Yeah.
That's our turn. 1,000 feet. Perfect. Flaps 30. Look at the buildings getting closer. Now look at outside, forget about the screen. The fun is to look outside. 700 feet. Very nice. See the lights flashing?
Yeah.
That's our turn. 600 feet, almost there. You're gonna start your turn, press the right foot.